Everyone talks about your down payment. Almost no one tells you what actually hits after you get the keys. The first 90-day cash burn, the most expensive part of the buying, isn't closing. It's the first 90 days after. Blinds, backyard, appliances, small fixes, furniture. It adds up fast. Most buyers underestimate this by thousands, and it creates stress right after what should be an exciting move. Your mortgage is just the baseline. Taxes adjust, insurance changes, utilities shift based on the home. It's common for your true monthly costs to creep higher than expected within the first year. When you own the home, everything is your responsibility. HVAC, water heater, roof. These aren't if, they're when. And if you didn't plan for that, it can hit hard. Sometimes the cost isn't just financial. Longer commutes, different routines, or being further from what you're used to can impact your day-to-day more than buyers expect. If you want to know the full picture before you buy, not just the purchase price, I'll break it down for you. I am Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group, and I want to make sure that you go into any real estate transaction with knowledge and confidence. Like this video and follow me on Instagram for more tips.